Hello everybody, today I will show you the path to apply for Rajiv Yuva Vikasam scheme. This is the scheme that is provided by the government of Telangana state, a southern state in India, wherein the people, the unemployment yet like men or women who is completed with education and looking for employment opportunities. So there are the people are confused about this. So the government is providing the loan facility for them, wherein they don't have to repay back the complete of one. The government will give the subsidy for this. So Telangana government has started this scheme on 17th of March 2025. So the condition is the people who is applying must have this ration card, that is the white ration card. uh, so they will get the financial assistance of up to 3 lakh rupees for self-employment. So the government of India, the government of Telangana is looking for employment opportunities for people like SC, ST, BC and minorities who don't have the job. So the scheme will support them. For example, if you want a tailoring shop or if you want a beauty parlor or something, like you can apply for that. So there are different categories in this loan can be provided up to like for loan of up to 1 lakh Indian rupees. 80% subsidy will be provided. The remaining 20% uh, will be covered by the beneficiary. And for the loan ranging between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 70% subsidy will be provided by the government. For the loan up to 3 lakh rupees with 60% subsidy is available. So you just need some eligibility, that is you need to submit the form on this portal, that is the link I'm showing here, tgobmsnew.cgg.gov.in. So when you go to this link that I'm highlighting here, so when you go to this link, you see that this is the link, and click when you click it will show that option Rajiv Yuva Vikas some scheme. Click on the application here and it will open the page. So for example, you can select the categories like MBC minorities, Christian minority, etc. So if you click on that option, you will find the options like you need to enter the Aadhaar card, your uh, name as per the Aadhaar card, food security ration card number, and beneficiary type individual, and here you type of assistance you get bank link schemes, and here the section transport section, ISB section, this is the sections are available. See, two-wheeler like this. And if you click on other options, you will find other option. For example, if I'm clicking on the minority registration, you can see the same Aadhaar card, Aadhaar number, food security card, wherein if you go as the individual and bank link scheme, you will find the options section. For example, if I select this industry service business, ISB, so you'll get a lot of other options like agarbatti, candle making, aluminium, beauty parlor, cell phone repairing, catering services, chicken mutton shop, coconut business, cotton shedder. So there are multiple options, kirana and everything. So everybody can apply for this kind of, if they are eligible for that. So just you don't have to go anywhere, you just get your documents like other card, your ration card, everything, and you can apply online. And once you apply, you will get this no by the time, like applications are accepted uh, till 5th of April from March 17th to, and it will be like the beneficiary will receive the transaction loan documents on Telangana formation day, that is June 2nd, 2025. So this is all about this, how to apply that. You can find more options when you go online. So instead of you taking the mobile phone, I recommend you using the computer, so that you will have the best options. And the mobile phone, it is very difficult to upload everything. So you can apply, and you can start your business. Thanks for watching my channel. Please share this video, and thank you.